Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I am out today looking at some houses. As always, showing your neighborhood. It's pretty quiet street and this beautiful church. And actually I'm managing house like couple blocks from this house. This is neighbor house. And this is house that we are looking at today. It looks pretty good to me outside. Some painting need to be done, some windows probably need to be changed, but I'm not sure if it's coming with a cat. Okay, fence backyard. And this is house from the back side. And let's go inside and see what is inside the house. There's some work to be done here. Living room. This house got a good feel, you know, like it's solid. And let's see, this is one more room here. Yeah. What, nobody wants to be in this video? Really? I have like all my people here, my real estate agent and two more investors who are looking at this property, and everybody is running. Okay. And this is kitchen.
Can I come on in your video?
Yes, you can.
It's great.
You like it?
I'll give you a thumbs up.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Okay. Maria, we are looking for you, and Juan said it look good. So this is kitchen. This is the only cabinet that we have in the kitchen, but it has pantry. So two rooms here, and this is going to the basement. I'm gonna need somebody with a flashlight to go with me in the basement. I'm gonna get back here. I'm not sure what is this room. Just like small room. And one room here, living room, bedroom or dining room here, and we are going into the second floor. All good.
The only thing is you have to make sure as far as every city has different ordinances, and just making sure that it's the ordinances.
Look good. Definitely some cosmetics. We need to do flooring, probably paint. Bathroom.
What is he doing?
Bathroom. I'm not sure what's happened here. Two rooms here. What a strange combination of color. Green with pink. It has closet here. Floors are all good. Like solid, you know. They removed the carpet, I believe. So we have 1, 2, and 3 rooms in a second floor. And I think this is master bedroom. There's a beautiful fireplace. Some windows are aluminum, but some windows need to be replaced. So 3-bedroom here. Do we have one more bedroom upstairs? Okay. You would do one more room here?
It's not me. You need more room.
Yeah.
You
Because
already got like 6.
no, we got 4.
4.
4.
You can make a small room right here. Contains 5.
Yeah. Okay. And my agent, it's showing me property history that has been on market for 319 days. So probably we can offer less, right? Thank you.
Hannah,
Yes.
if you fall,
Then what?
we don't have an issue.
Why? Probably we can make some. It's really solid house. I like it.
It is.
What do you think, Juan?
It is a solid house.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's really.
Can we? Did we go to the basement? Can somebody go with me to the basement
Yeah.
because we need lights there. So we can make at least 1 bedroom upstairs, 3 bedroom here. So it's 4, right? And 1 bedroom downstairs, 5. It's gonna be 5 bedroom, 2 bathroom, right? Yep.
Where you get all the bathroom at?
Basement was somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go in?
Where you get 2 baths? There's only 1 bath.
No, 2. 1 is here, 1 is here. Second floor. I saw 2 because 1 was missing. I think you want. Okay. Where do we look first? Electrical?
Electrical is good.
Good.
Oh, they cut some wires. You know, like this, so no big deal.
Not big deal.
They cut it right here from here to there. I don't know what's the purpose, but that's what they did.
Okay. This is gas. And we need to find water heater, right?
Over there.
Somewhere.
Consider bathroom in the basement as part of the bathroom.
How do you know? Oh, look at this water heater. Huge.
$50.
Yeah. It's a new one, right? Okay. How do you know if house has AC?
Because you can tell by the condensing unit, but this is just heating. This is an old.
So heating probably need to be replaced, right?
There's a shower?
No,
No?
you can just have heating and then have window units for the AC.
No, usually.
But you want central area?
Yeah. Does it have central air or
It's a
no?
bathroom.
This is just central heat.
You know what I do here? Those sex trafficking in kids. Yeah, we lock
Oh
them
my
up. over here.
God! What are you thinking about?
And she has you on video.
That's an old style.
This is a shower.
It was.
Yeah.
Crazy stuff.
So you want one more? Huh?
Huh?
You want it?
Yeah.
No?
Good AC unit.
I already got it now. I have
Yeah,
to
you
get
got
done
another.
what I have.
I know. QQ, I think this one is good. What is the crop?
And it goes all the
Oh,
way down.
come on.
that's nice.
This is nothing.
Yeah.
It's nothing.
We don't know
Stop.
what we've been
Yeah. You didn't see the houses with the cracks. Okay, so guys,
Y'all are getting
I think this is a good property. And it's priced. It's for $60,000. And I believe for
love
this
the area.
neighborhood, yeah, I
like
love
the
the
area.
area
Yeah,
too.
it's
It's
pretty
really
good.
quiet. And if you look at neighbor's house,
You have to come out in the video too.
yeah,
So what you think, Anna? Do you like the property?
yeah, I do.
You
I
like the
do,
area
and we're
too?
gonna make an offer.
You like the area too?
Yeah,
How soon do you think you can renovate it?
it's up to you.
Mm.
If you can help us, then we can do
Okay.
it. Then we can do
Okay.
it.
But the area is pretty great, very
How
quiet.
long it's gonna take to renovate? What do you think? How much money?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? You kidding?
Yeah.
How much would you charge to do it for 3 weeks? I have you on a video.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Okay, 10 minutes?